Hello traders, welcome to Share Market C2C channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about what are the new changes that NSE indices have brought into. So what are the stocks that have been included and excluded from NIFTY 50, Next 50 and NIFTY Midcap. So with all these changes, what are the pros and cons of the inclusion and exclusion of the stocks in indices as a trader as well as the investors? So this is what we are going to see in this video. Let's get into. So first we will see what are the changes in the NIFTY 50. So which are the companies included in the NIFTY 50? So the two new companies that will be included in NIFTY 50 are Jio Financial Services and Zomato Limited. These two companies are previously in the NIFTY Next 50. So which are the stocks being excluded from the current NIFTY 50? So which is none other than, surprisingly, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited and Britannia Industries Limited. So these two companies been removed from NIFTY 50 and Jio Financial and Zomato been brought into NIFTY 50 based on their performance and the balancing and other certain factors. That is the changes in the NIFTY 50. So next we are going to see what is the changes in the Next 50. So which are the companies been included in the NIFTY Next 50? So there are 7 companies included in the NIFTY Next 50, which are Bajaj Housing Finance, Bharat Petroleum Corporation, Britannia Industries, CG Power and Industry Solution, Hyundai Motors, Indian Hotels and Swiggy Limited. These are the 7 companies included in the NIFTY Next 50. So which are the companies been excluded from the NIFTY Next 50? Which are Adani Total Gas, Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited, which is BHEL, Indian Railway Corporation, IRCTC, Jio Financial Services, which is included in NIFTY 50, NHPC, Union Bank of India, Zomato Limited, which also moved to NIFTY 50, which is been excluded. 2 of the stocks moved to NIFTY 50, rest been moved out of NIFTY Next 50. So next we are going to see in the NIFTY Financial Services what are the changes. So Jio Financial Services been included in the NIFTY Financial Services to balance the weightage, and which is going to be excluded is Multi Commodity Exchange of India Limited, which is MCX, will be removed from the NIFTY Financial Services. So what are the changes in the NIFTY Midcap? So which are the companies included? Or 7 companies: BHEL, BSC, Marico, Max Healthcare Institute, Oracle Financial Services, PB Fintech and Yes Bank will be included in NIFTY Midcap. So which are the companies will be excluded? Or AU Small Finance Bank, Container Corporation of India, Federal Bank Limited, IDFC First Bank, Indian Hotels, MRF and PI Industries will be excluded from the NIFTY Midcap. So why does NSE is making semi-annual changes to the indices? This is what you are going to understand. So this is due to the market representation, which is the indices. If it is not performing, that will be balanced by removing the good performing stock. Sectorial balances, which is the different sectorials, if it is not matching with the balancing the indices, also will be happening. Investor confidence, if they are losing the hope on the stocks, then the balancing will be happening. Liquidity and tradability, accordingly the performance also, the stocks will be moved. Performance alignment, so removing an underperforming stocks and adding the companies which is performing well. These are the reasons why NSE is being semi-annually for rebalancing the stocks. So when they will be doing? They will be doing yearly twice, which will be first it will be happening in January 31st and the second time it will be happening on July 31st. And when it will be started implemented? So the implementation will be usually on last working day of March and last working day of September. So all these changes whatever we have told will be applied from March 28th 2025. Which are the stocks we have seen included and excluded will be applicable from March 28th onwards. So you have to trade accordingly if you are a trader or an investor. So with all this, what are the impact of the NSE changes and rebalancing positive for the investors? So you, if as an investor, you can find a better quality stocks for your investments. There will be increased opportunities will be there. So you will find a higher liquidity, and the stocks which you think it is in NIFTY Next 50 or other indices move to NIFTY 50. You will see the quality of the stocks being improved, and sectorial balances and market reflection will give a hope for the investors that to bring more investing on the stock. So what will be the negative challenges for the investors? When the stocks been moved from one level to a downgraded level, then there will be a forced selling on such a stocks, which will be seeing the price dipping. So sometimes you may be buy a stock which will be, you think that will be in the NIFTY 50. For example, you may invest BPCL or Britannia since you think it is a good stock in NIFTY 50. Now if it is, since it is been moved from NIFTY 50 to next 50, so the people will psychologically think the stock been degraded, so maybe there will be a forced selling will be there. So volatility will be there more in the stock, and there will be a people confidence will be losing on some of the stocks. That will be the pros and cons for the stock if the change has been happening in rebalancing in any of the stocks. So I hope these changes will be very clear for you for the upcoming indices changes. Based on that, you analyze the stocks. I hope this video is beneficial for you. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel, press like button and give your comments if you have anything. Thank you. Stay safe invested.